Right, hell yeah. So this is the double pump, pump in once, and then what that's going to do is going to get you on top of the pile, and then you can drive your turn. And so hell yeah, that's it. This should be a really short video. That's all we're looking at. But there's a lot of times that when you try to go do a turn, you're just purling into it because you're already low in the trough, and that's a good thing, being low in the trough. But it also means that you might bite, and we're edged pretty heavily, but we're just allowing that to push us to the top of the pile, and then that kind of seals the deal. So again, it's kind of like a 1, and then right to the top. And you have to be patient. If you're just constantly trying to pry into this, you'll just probably build up too much momentum and then get pieced off. And so it's kind of just like even just a little pump, especially if you can see it coming, pry into it, let your boat get to the top of the pile. And that's kind of like a ball bearing, you know what I mean? Trying to get, once your boat's like on top, it's a pyramid, and your boat right here is just really able to spin just way easier, and we're still able to drop into that. So hell yeah. So do a pry, wait, and then seal it with another pry. And you can get really aggressive. So if you know this is happening, you know what I mean? Toss a pry in, let it bite, be patient, and then really drive in another pry to seal that surf. All right, booyah.